Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enter promo codes in Roblox Mobile. Now you're seeing that I'm using an iOS device, right? An iPhone. This is technically the same process if you're using an Android devices or a Galaxy devices. Alright? So open up your Roblox and here click on more, right there, and look for help and safety. This one right here. Once inside help and safety, select help and then wait for it to load up. This might take a while, a few seconds. On the search bar, type in redeem, like so. Click on enter on the keypad on search and wait for it to search up. This will take another 10 to 20 seconds, give or take, and just wait for it to pop up. Now this is going to be the redeem option, as you can see right there, how to redeem and spend your gift card. Click on that one right here, and it will open up an article. Inside the article itself, will give you a link that will redirect you to the website of Roblox, and in there you can change, enter, and even claim your promo codes. It's gonna be simple as that, right? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.